salvage law, it serves the purpose, it serves many purposes, one of which is to prevent unsafe vessels from being wrecked in the oceans, causing not only loss of vessel and cargo, but blockage of shipping channels and increasing the hazards of the seas. This is relevant to Earth orbit as much as it is to the ocean, to the high seas, but no salvage law exists as part of space law, international space law. Salvage law, maritime salvage law can easily be translated to outer space, well, the orbital and beyond, and there's good reason for that to be done in the near future. Earth's orbits are getting more and more cluttered as obsolete satellites are left to decay. The orbits become unusable due to the amount of debris left. Additionally, valuable satellites that are still functional will eventually be lost to Earth's atmosphere due to the orbits being unable to be sustained without external propulsion that they lack. An example is the Hubble Space Telescope. This is a waste of resources and also a hazard to Earth as the larger satellites are unable to be burned entirely by the atmosphere, as occurred early last year with a certain Chinese space station that might hit Maine but didn't. Public policy incentives for laws include the reduction of waste and danger are common public policy incentives for laws, and the situation in orbit it gives incentive for the transposition of current salvage law into outer space. It also provides opportunity for new businesses and incentivizes commercial exploration of space, as salvage fees will allow earnings, will allow use of will allow private industry to make money by retrieving vessels, most likely satellites, from positions of danger. Currently, there is no incentive to save the Hubble Space Telescope from falling into the atmosphere, burning up, and depositing its very large main mirror somewhere on Earth, potentially in a populated area. However, it would be a very lucrative prospect should salvage law apply to space, both for fees and because even if the salvage fees are not paid, arresting the vessel for the salvage liens would be profitable rather than an economical garbage disposal like arresting a vessel, a seagoing vessel would be. I will be in the lobby during the reception with my poster, which is more readable than this, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you may have about my topic, engage in conversation with you.